there, busy moms. Welcome back to our channel. I know how hectic life can get, and finding time for a trip to the salon is often a luxury. That's why today I'm excited to share some quick and stylish haircut ideas that you can easily manage at home. Whether you're a seasoned DIY haircutter or a beginner, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Segment 1. Preparing for the cut. First things first, let's gather our tools. You'll need a pair of sharp hair-cutting scissors, a comb, hair clips, and a spray bottle with water. Make sure your hair is clean and dry before we start. Segment 2. The classic bob. If you're looking for a timeless look that's easy to maintain, the classic bob is a great choice. Start by parting your hair down the middle. Take a section at the front as a guide and then cut it straight across. Repeat this step for the other side. Remember, small cuts are better than one big snip. Segment 3. Layers for volume. Now let's add some volume and movement to our hair with layers. Simply divide your hair into sections and cut at a slight angle, starting from the back. This technique creates a soft, layered effect that's perfect for busy moms on the go. Segment 4. Pixie cut for the bold. Feeling bold? A pixie cut can be a game changer. Start by sectioning your hair and pinning it up. Then, cut the back of your hair short and gradually work your way to the front. Don't forget to leave some length for the fringe. Segment 5. Trim your bangs. Bangs are a fantastic way to change up your look without a full haircut. For a quick trim, comb your bangs down and snip them horizontally. Start longer than you think you need, as you can always trim more if necessary. Segment 6. Maintaining your cut. Congratulations, moms! You've given yourself a fabulous haircut. To maintain your new look, invest in some quality styling products like a lightweight mousse or hairspray. These products can help you achieve that fresh from the salon finish in no time. Segment 7. Final tips. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips. Remember to trim your hair when it's dry for a more accurate cut. And if you're ever unsure, it's better to cut less than more. You can always make adjustments later. Lastly, always start with clean, well-combed hair for the best results. That's a wrap, busy moms. I hope you found these haircut ideas helpful and inspiring. With a little practice and confidence, you can create stunning looks right from the comfort of your home. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. And remember, you've got this. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.